Good evening, everyone. The time here is 6:50 in the evening. We are now May 30, 2024. I just finished having a conference with the different buyers from Dubai and in Hong Kong and in China. They were asking me, how come I haven't seen you for a while, Mrs. Ford? So I was been chatting with them, and while I'm listening to their problem, they have a problem. They are the one creating the problem, not the seller. Maybe the seller also creating a problem. One buyer went to Nairobi, disaster. Another buyer went to Kampala, disaster. Another buyer went to Ghana, another disaster. Buyer went to Sierra Leone, limited capital, disaster. And another buyer went to Mali, and he was being offered cheap price, disaster. My dear international buyer, do not believe on seller offering you to pay taxes. Do not. That is normal. You have to pay the valued added tax. That is normal. The products plus valued added tax. That is the income of the country. You buy the precious mineral plus valued added tax. Do not say that I'm going to buy gold and diamond to pay taxes. You are going to end into disaster, just like this buyer. They come to Wilhelmina. I am not here to solve your problem. I'm not. When you search on YouTube, you found this lady. I explain about how you buy gold step by step. But you are not paying attention. And then when you encounter disaster, then you search on YouTube and go on Facebook, and then you encounter my page. It's too late. Because I don't entertain buyers already on the ground, and I don't give advice. That's not my job to advise you. That's not. I can only advise the buyer when the buyer really reading the full corporate offer on the video that you found me. This one Filipino, I just finished having a conference again. He said that he has a buyer from Dubai. It's a big company. When I asked this Filipino, how long your buyer been searching for gold? 1 year. So this buyer has a problem then. Because if he's been big company in Dubai and he's been searching for gold disaster, maybe he was been dealing with lot of joker broker. This Filipino guy, I just finished having a conference 1 hour ago. And I told him, I'm not here to teach you. Just read it. And then tell your buyer that he has to send a letter of interest coming from him in order to signify that he is a buyer. And then he asked me about information, and I told him, you found me on my YouTube channel and you went to Facebook, my platform, but you are not paying attention, you are not reading. And I told this Filipino guy, maybe you didn't go to school. Because I went to school. I read. I digest it. I comprehend it. And you know, this Filipino was saying, you're very tough, you're very strict. Of course. This is not for you. If you think that you're brokering, this is not for you. The reason why I put everything on my platform on YouTube, because the seller also sick and tired dealing with fake buyers, limited cash. They can only afford to buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos. This is a precious mineral. This is for export. At least you need to have $500,000 or $1 million in order to do business in gold business. Yes, gold business is very profitable business. But if you're just thinking that you can earn money because we are now on the platform on social media, I doubt you can close the deal. Because if you come to Wilhelmina, I'm very, very strict. I interviewed this Filipino, and this Filipino says, Madam, are you a Filipino? I said, yes, I was born there. But I live in Australia. I'm Australian citizen. So when I was interviewing him, and I told him, I think you better find another job. This is not for you. This is not for everyone. The seller hired Wilhelmina's services. Right? The seller hired my services, and you as the buyer, you are going to hire my services. When you do the searching on gold and diamond, my video pop up. If you go on YouTube channel, you search on YouTube, yes, my video pop up. Just pay attention. Just take time. Don't be excited, because to me, I'm not excited to talk to you unless you comprehend. I put everything, the requirement that you are going to supply in order for us to believe, especially this lady in front of you. Wilhelmina would not believe you. I'm telling you. If you just come on my WhatsApp and then you ask, Madam, I watch your video. When you come to have a conference with me, my question is, which video you've been listening? How long you've been searching? What is your position? Madam, I'm a buyer's agent. Okay? Do you know your buyer? So you go back to your buyer and show this one that this gold business is for really a buyer that can afford to pay. If you are just a mandate of the buyer, you should know that your buyer using your services. And you come to Wilhelmina, I'm going to reject you if you don't pay attention. And we don't pay double commission. And if you have a real buyer, I might consider to pay you Spottis fee, not the whole lot. Only once is Spottis fee, as we call that referral fee. But make sure when you bring the buyer on the group chat, make sure your buyer really is real, because buyers are also smart, very smart. Now, why I know they're very smart? They're just using your brain. I'm telling you, if you're a joker broker, they pretend that, oh, I'm a buyer, but once he get the information, he will go behind your back. I'm telling you. So what you're gonna do, create a group chat, and then I will interview your buyer. Now, there is a buyer right now in Africa. They call me, and I told them, I don't need you and you don't need me. You're already on the ground. Why you come to me? Because you have a problem. You are the one who created the problem, not me. So I told this buyer that encountered disaster, I told him, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. I don't entertain buyers already on the ground. I need to entertain the buyer. When the buyer, pay attention on this video, my video is very clear. If you're really smart and you went to school, my video is very, very clear, very concise, but you are not paying attention. You are excited. To me, I'm not excited unless you prove to me that you're a buyer. I would be excited if you send me a copy of your business registration, a copy of your importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have $500,000 or $1 million available in your bank account. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos anymore. We don't. At least 10 kilos. You wouldn't get profit 1 kilo, 2 kilos. Wouldn't. You can get the profit at least of 10 kilos or even 5 kilos. But there is a profit, but not much. So if you are just a small timer, better not to be involved in gold business. I'm telling you, you're going to burn out your pocket. I just sold this buyer, stranded in Sierra Leone. In 1 hour, he keep on calling me 10 times. And I asked him, you better Go back to your country. And the seller that invited him abandoned him. And I told him, you better get out and fly to your country. At least you're safe. He lost money. The buyer is in Nairobi. Again, he lost money. The buyer went to Ghana. Again, lost money. Mr. Buyer, if you're watching me, do not blame Africa. You blame yourself. When you buy this precious mineral, make sure you have a capital. Do not take it for granted. Do not. I know Africa ins and out. I've been to Africa. I brought the buyer with me. Okay? And I brought the buyer to my seller's office. And when you travel and use Wilhelmina, yes, I do charge my services. You are using my services. When I travel with you, yes, I do charge to cover my travel cost in order to assist you. How much I'm gonna charge you? $20,000. If you cannot afford to pay $20,000 for my extra service, meaning to say you cannot afford to pay the gold and diamond. You cannot. There's so many buyers come to me, Madam, I'm here, I'm stuck. Well, that's your problem, not my problem. And I thank you guys that you found me on my YouTube and on Facebook. But it's too late. It's too late. Now, few years back, I met one buyer from Holland. I met him at Gibora's Hotel. Okay? And he has a limited cash. He traveled to Sierra Leone, disaster. Another German. He opened a company in Dubai. Disaster. During the time when I was staying at Holiday Inn, every day keep on calling me and calling me and calling me. And I arranged the meeting with the owner of the jewelry manufacturer. He's just smart, this German guy. But if I mention the name of this German guy, I'm telling you, this guy, if he watch my YouTube channel, you are going to be embarrassed. But I would not mention your name. Okay? So please, if you are really in business, make sure you have the money. Make sure you have a capital. Last year, I charged the buyer $15,000 to cover my travel cost. Today, 2024, the price goes up. When the gold is high, of course, my price changes as well. My services, why? I have to cover my airfare, my hotel accommodation, my spending money. I'm not going to assist you with my own expenses. No, I don't think so. You are in business. You are using my services. I'm not free. And it's so lucky that you search on YouTube this information worth $1 million. You already gain. But when I travel with you, you are going to gain more. Guaranteed you will get the gold. Now, let us summarize. When you read this full corporate offer on this video, click below and subscribe and pay attention reading the full corporate offer. When you click below, it says more. You click it, go through paragraph by paragraph. Okay, what necessary you are going to comply and what necessary seller will comply to you when you pay the gold. Number one, when you read this full corporate offer on every video, no matter which video, the full corporate offer is always on every video. I only upgrade when the price goes up and the price down. Now today, the price of gold is down. Take advantage for this. 2 weeks ago, the price was 78. And our selling price less 8%. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, do I have to pay taxes? Yes. The gold, you pay the gold plus government sales tax. That is an income of the country. However, because you are paying my extra service instead of 8%, I might consider to give you 10 to 11%. But don't bank on it, eh? Don't, because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. Now, before I'm going to give you 10 to 11%, I have to see your copy of your business registration. I have to see your importation license, who you are. And I have to see your passport. And I have to see your bank statement that you have standby money. That bank statement is to signify that you're a buyer. Your information is intact. It is a private between you and Wilhelmina. Why? Because when I'm going to review it, I'm going to tell the head office, okay, I review this buyer. Let us proceed. Now, if you are from Dubai, I'll put you in Dubai, in Conakry. Because Dubai and Conakry is one stop. Emirates fly 3 times a week. Or even if you're in America or in Europe, I can put you to Mali. I have my seller in Mali. I can put you in Sierra Leone as well. But please don't travel without Wilhelmina. You are going to be disaster. Doesn't matter if you found Wilhelmina on my YouTube channel and then you get the information and then you were being offered by another seller, the seller wouldn't care about you. I do care for you. That is why I explain here so you gain knowledge watching this video. Now, you are going to pay the gold. This is FOB. This is not CIF, Cost Insurance and Freight. This is not SBLC. This is not bank instrument. This is not bank guarantee. The bank will guarantee you to release your money. But how could we know that you have been guaranteed? Gold is money. So you have the paper money versus the gold. So you have to pay the gold. Now, number 2, when you travel with me, you inspect your order. We don't sell 1 kilo, you must remember. The minimum at least 10 kilos. But however, just convince Wilhelmina I might consider 5 kilos, but certain seller, one of my seller would not accept 5 kilos. Okay? There is a minimum 10 to 20 kilos. It's not worth it for you. So you better comprehend this video first. Do not come until you really understood reading the full corporate offer. Now, going back to the requirement that you are going to send, remember, after you watch this video, you click below, you read the full corporate offer, then you send me your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and proof of fund bank statement. This is the requirement that you are going to convince Wilhelmina. So then you come on WhatsApp, right? So we chat. And I have to ask few questions. How long you been searching for gold? Why you cannot find the gold? Then you're gonna tell a story. Oh, Wilhelmina, I lost money. Yes, because you were looking for cheap price. Gold is not cheap. There is a value on it. Now today, as I've said a few seconds ago, the gold is down today. 2 weeks ago, the gold price was $78,000, $78,200. 2 weeks ago. Today, May 30, the gold is down. Just a moment, I'm going to see the gold price today. Today is May 30. Just a moment. Okay. Now, the price of gold today is $2,335.76 per ounce. In dollars term is 75,096.37. So don't bank on it because the gold, it fluctuates every half an hour. The gold ticking, click, 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 click. So don't bank on it because you have not convinced. Once you convince me, I will see how you are able to get 10 to 11% discount. Why I give you that? I give you 10 to 11% because you are paying my services. In return, I've given you back the discount. Now, there is an option. You can travel, just sign a contract. I will prepare the contract. I will send all your information to the head office. 8%. But if there is a problem, do not come back to Wilhelmina. Do not. Because I'm too far. It's better you spend money to make money. What is $20,000? You're spending $500,000. When you resell it to your own customer, 2%, 3%, you're going to sell it to Dubai. There's so many buyers in Dubai. Jewelry manufacturer is a buyer. Refinery is your buyer. We give you 10 to 11% only when you convince me. If you don't convince me, you don't get 10 to 11%. You don't. Now, you get the profit. And then you increase it. On the first trial, your profit is just minimal. I want you to build your business relationship with us. So on the second shipment, yes, you will get more profit because you are going to increase it. Maybe 20, maybe 50, maybe 100, 500, 600 for 5 years. So then, in a year's time, you get 80+%. Compare when you put your money in the bank, a year, 3%. Which one you prefer? 80% a year or 3% a year? Gold is good business. Yes. So that is the reason why Wilhelmina promote Africa. Africa is the main source of precious mineral. Now you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, number 3. Wilhelmina, what is the carat? You are not paying attention. I put on this here, the carats and the purity, but you are not paying attention. Yeah. If you're gonna come on conference, Wilhelmina, what is the price? Wilhelmina, what is the purity? You're not paying attention. You're a businessman, you should watch the movement of the gold. So list 8%. Then you figure out. Then you come to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina, I watch the movement of gold. Do you think you can give me 10 to 11%, Wilhelmina? Yes. As long as you convince me. Yeah. Because I'm going to travel with you. I'm going to assist you. Excuse me. I'm going to meet you in the airport. If you're from Dubai, I will travel from Australia to Dubai and then Dubai to Conakry together with you. Don't be scared because I'm a woman. I don't have any security guard. I'm safe. You are going to be safe with me. I am your security, right? And if there is an issue, at least I can talk to the head office and I can find a backup. I always warn the seller, when I bring the buyer, make sure the buyer is happy. Because if the buyer is not happy, I will not bring the buyer anymore. I will bring to other seller because I have different sellers. Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. So, Mr. Buyer, you're watching this video. You're lucky to watch this video. Don't be excited. Don't. And you're gonna say, well, Amina, I've been cheated. I refrain using scam. Why? The meaning of scam means you lied to yourself because you're looking for cheap price. And the seller also lied to you. Both of you are liars. Both of you are cheating each other. Yeah? That is the meaning of scam. Why the scam exist before you were born and me? Look at Jesus Christ. He was being scammed by Judas. He was being betrayed by Judas. Scam was already exist before we were born. Your parents lied to you. Your brothers and sister lied to you. Your cousin lied to you. Your friend lied to you. That is a scam. I was being cheated in Ghana big time. I was being cheated by my relatives as well. I was being cheated by my niece. Okay? So be it. When they're gonna die, they're gonna go to hell anyway. I don't know if I'll go to heaven. So that's why I have to be nice. I have to be kind to people. But I'm very frank and I'm very brutal as well. And I'm very, very upfront. In order for you to be educated. This is not for you if you have less capital. This is not. You need to have a capital. Okay? If you don't have a capital, if you have only $110,000, I better advise you not to travel. Because when you come to Wilhelmina, I'm gonna ask you, to be honest with you, tell me how much money available you have in your bank account. And you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, I have 200,000. Keep it. Why? I don't want you to be burned out. I told this other buyer, keep it. And he said, well, you're very honest. I said, no, you will not get the gold or diamond. Keep it. At least if you buy diamond, at least you need to have in your bank account 500,000. At least. As a backup, you have to make sure that you have money to play around. Because diamond, the price, it varies carat to carat. There's 800, there's 900, there's 1,200. It depends on the clarity and the carats. In gold, it depends on the world market demand. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. Now, then you're gonna say number 4. Well, Amina, send me the picture. Well, the picture is already on my platform on Facebook and on my YouTube. We will no longer sending pictures on your name. Why? You are going to solicit, you are going to float around the picture. Yeah? All of the pictures on my Facebook have a message. Read the message. Then digest it. Then comprehend it. And if you think that you meet the criteria, then you come for conference. Because we don't send pictures and video anymore. The diamond, there is a diamond on my platform, the biggest diamond, 17 million. It's just on my platform, on my Facebook and on my YouTube. You have to search it. Because I can detect if you are not a buyer. I can detect. Especially if I ask question and then you don't give me the answer, I can sense that you are not a buyer. You are a joker buyer, pretending to be a buyer. And when you come for conference, please introduce yourself properly. Do not say, hello, my brother. Do I look like a brother? Hello, miss. My name is Wilhelmina. Then you're going to say, hello. Yeah, it's nice to say hello, but you need to specific whom you're talking. Because when I talk to you, hi, good afternoon, this is Wilhelmina Ford. What can I do for you? Just like this Filipino, 1 hour ago. He sent me a message. And then I call him. Next time, you need to introduce yourself properly. Because if you're in business, you need to be professional. And he was being embarrassed. And he said to me, are you a Filipino? Yes, I was born there. But I am Australian citizen. I live in Australia for many years, for 36 years. So therefore, I'm Australian. Yeah, I cannot deny that I was born in the Philippines. Why you ask me if I'm a Filipino or not? You ask if you can afford to pay the gold and diamond. That is the question. You don't need to ask my nationality. You tell me if you can afford to pay what you are buying. That is the question. Okay? And sometimes you need to be upfront and you ask silly question, I'm giving you silly answer. Just like this Filipino. And then I teach him to be professional. You need to introduce yourself. Hi, Wilhelmina. I've been acting on behalf of my buyer. You know, we've been searching for gold for many months, and my buyer was being deceived. Then I understand. So do not pretend that you know. So this Filipino, he asked me to teach him. I said, no, I'm not here to teach people. You went to school, you paid the tuition fee, right? I went to school, I finished 4 years. I graduated the Bachelor of Science in Social Work. My parents paid my tuition. So you went to school, you pay your tuition. Now, I am not here to teach you. I am here to tell the world that Africa is the main source of precious mineral. My seller hired my services, and you are going to hire my services as well. Simple as that. Does that make sense? Now, Mr. Buyer, I'm going to summarize. After you read this full corporate offer, after you watch this video, think about it. Convince Wilhelmina. Send me your business registration. Convince Wilhelmina that you are importer. You have a license to import gold to your country. Convince Wilhelmina. Send me your passport copy that you are really a buyer. Convince Wilhelmina that you have standby fund in your bank account. I don't need to convince you. Why? You already met Wilhelmina. You see Wilhelmina. So I need you to open your camera in order for me to convince that you're a buyer. So you don't need to hide your face. Why are you scared? I'm not. You already met Wilhelmina, so I already convinced you that we are the seller. The seller hired my services. I'm part of the seller. But my services is different. I'm not just an ordinary broker, because the broker would not explain to you like this. No. Most of the broker floating around, running around on WhatsApp, and running around on LinkedIn, running around on Facebook, running around on Instagram, running around everywhere. What happened? You bump into Wilhelmina. That's good. So YouTube is the best site. The best. Just read, digest it, come back to Wilhelmina when you are ready. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I hope you understand my video. Listen, guy, by 2025, the gold turned to 80,000. My services is no longer 20,000. I could charge you 25. 2018, I charged 10,000. Last year, 15,000. Today, 20,000. Next year, 25,000. Why? You're buying precious mineral. You're buying $500,000. You're buying $1 million here. You're using my services, you must remember. So I am not free. You're lucky to watch this video. You gain knowledge. Knowledge is worth $1 million. You must remember. No such broker explaining to you like this. So you're lucky to found Wilhelmina on my YouTube channel. There's so many joker broker hates my guts. I don't care if you hate my guts, because I rejected you. I was a member of LinkedIn. I get out on LinkedIn. Oh, they are all bunch of joker broker. It's better. YouTube channel, the best, and Facebook is the best. Facebook, I purchase all the product that I need through advertisement on Facebook. I purchased this one through advertisement on Facebook. This is a blood pressure. I'm going to send this to my loved one in the Philippines. Right. I purchased this one through the advertisement on Facebook. So I advertise that we have the gold. You are buying gold through advertisement. Those joker broker, they advertise picture only, but they don't show their faces. Wilhelmina is showing her face. I purchased this on Facebook. I purchased this on Facebook. So what else you are looking for? I advertise on Facebook. I advertise on YouTube. So that you will know where the gold coming from. So that you will know the process. The full corporate offer is on this video. Do not ask, oh, Wilhelmina, send me the full corporate offer. To me, you are not a buyer. You're just a bunch of joker. Because you are not paying attention. Alright? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I shall see you next week, June. Now we are now May 30. Tomorrow is 31, the end. So the price, it fluctuates. Alright? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening and good morning to you whenever you are.